Well, there is still time to get health insurance this year under the Affordable Care Act, but you have to act quickly. The deadline for coverage is midnight tonight, and if you miss out, you won't be able to enroll in a plan this year, and you'll face a penalty. Joining us now to talk about the importance of signing up is Rick Notter, Director of Individual Business at Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Happy to be here.
All right, so tell us first of all, what do we do if you don't have coverage? What do we need to do?
The most important thing is to make sure you call or act today, either by going online or calling one of our health plan advisors at Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan to make sure you can get coverage, because if you don't get it by midnight tonight, then you'll potentially go without coverage until the next open enrollment, which won't occur until October 1st of next year.
And talk to us about the difference between on and off marketplace purchases.
The main difference is on marketplace is where you can get your advanced premium tax credit, or what's called a subsidy. So if you enroll there, you might be able to get assistance to help pay your premium. Off marketplace, if you have an income above a certain level, you can just buy it off marketplace and you don't have to go to healthcare.gov. But the same plans are available both on and off marketplace.
So if people are listening to this feeling overwhelmed, what would you tell them in terms of how do they figure out what right plan is for them?
The most important thing is to work with a professional, either one of our licensed agents throughout the state or by calling one of our health plan advisors, because they're going to be able to walk you through this process. You have to determine whether or not you're eligible for a subsidy. That's the most important thing, because that will help you pay that premium. But then also choosing between the plans, because the lowest price plan may not be the best thing for people. They'll want to talk about their health conditions and find out what plan best fits their needs.
Okay, and we keep hearing about penalties. What kind of penalties are we talking about if you don't sign up?
$325 is the minimum, or 2% of your income. And so people throw that $325 around. They think, well, that's not much. But if you make $100,000 a year as a family, then you're looking at a penalty of $2,000, and you'll pay that when you pay your taxes. So people are starting to do their taxes now. They're realizing they need coverage, and if they don't have it, they have to pay a penalty. And we've been getting phone calls all week from people realizing, hey, I better get covered.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, again, so the deadline, midnight tonight. What else would you tell people they need to know?
Make sure you don't wait until the last minute, because we tend to do that, and you could miss out if you wait too long.
Okay, and registering, of course, very important.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
really
you.
Appreciate it. Very helpful information. We'll have more details on our website, WXYZ.com. Just check the scene on 7 section. Andy, over to you.
Great tips there. Coming up next, heroic rescue.